Love the length, works fine on my Sears washer. These work perfectly for my Haier HLP24E Portable washer. The length is perfect, and since my washer only needs one, I'll have a replacement in hand when needed. Both hoses can take hot and cold water. The color is just to help the user identify which connection is which. See my other reviews for how I connected my washer to my kitchen sink. Very nice. So much better than the rubber ones I replaced. And they look great. According to my plumber, these hoses are the very best available on the market. Great product, easy install, perfect for my project location. I wanted something that has the 90 elbows built into one end so I could slide the washer tight to the wall. They work great. These houses are better than anything your local hardware stores carry. Worth every penny. Change them out every 4 to 5 years just for peace of mind. Exceptional quality. Bought these for my wash and dryer. I say dryer as well because the newer ones that have a steam feature use the cold water line. So make sure you have a splitter as seen in my picture. Install was great and all gaskets were already at the ends of the hoses. Pros. Color keyed braided metal, plenty of length gaskets and hoses. Cons. None. Click link in description for more reviews.